So here we are. I'm going to make a little Tomtee of hope. First we're going to go through the kit and how to make him. So in your kit you have NeedeleFelting 101. That has links to basic needle felting techniques and health and safety advice. Please read it. You also have your pipe cleaner, wire and sparkles. There is some white curls, some dyed curls of varying colours. They're all hand dyed, so they're different. There's also some rainbow dyed roving, black slivers and the colour for his nose. Then we've got a white ball and a red ball, and you've also got a couple of chocolate coins because it's Christmas, and a raffle ticket. So that's for your Christmas party on the 12th of December 2020. So if you've got a raffle ticket in your kit, you're in for a chance to win some lovely things from Stab the Fluff. Okay, so without further ado, I am going to go on to the first video and show you how to start.